Hello and welcome back. So we are learning data visualization using MongoDB charts and its implementation in Angular project. This is the third video of this series, and today we are going to make some beautiful chart using MongoDB database. So things we are going to learn in this video is we will implement a stacked column chart in MongoDB Atlas chart, and then another donut chart in the MongoDB chart. There will be just one dashboard, and under the dashboard these two charts will be structured. So before we dig in, please like this video so that YouTube algorithm can find us better. We are uploading new videos every week, so please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so let's start. This is the documentation MongoDB is providing for making a chart. So we will go step by step to know how to implement a chart. So first, to create a dashboard, they are saying that we need to click on the dashboard, that is this one, and then we need to put a title of this dashboard. Let's say it's sales, then the description, sales, can be sales, customer analytics, etc. Let me copy this and put this in. So I'm just making a demo sales dashboard chart where 2 or 3 chart related to sales will be provided. That's why I am giving the title sales, and the description I am putting sales, customer analytics and more. You can put the title and description as per your need. Then I will click on the save, and a new dashboard is created called sales, and the description is here. Then I will add a new chart from here. Click on the add chart button, will make a chart UI for you, and you can select the, if you have seen my last video, I have shown how to import sample database from there. So if you have that's imported that some sample database, that will be shown here. So first we saw some scenario, what type of chart we want to build. Let's say we want to build a column chart showing total sales by a store location. Let's assume that there are a number of shops in your name, and you want to see which store has make the most benefit. So for this you need to make a column chart, and you can use the sample sales chart that is on here. This is the sample supply chart that has a column called sales. So I will use this sales database to implement this column chart. So let's select the sales data source. So when I select the sales data source, some suggestion has already been created by Mongo. If you need this, you can just click on apply and then save and close, then it will be saved to this dashboard. So we wanted we wanted a column chart that will show the store locations highest revenue. So first I am going to select the column chart. So column, then select the stacked column. Then you need a x-axis variable, y-axis variable. So I will put the store location on the x-axis, as we want to see the sales of each store location. On the y-axis we need the prices of each location. That's why we are putting the price on the y-axis. So after putting that, they want me to choose a method. So I will just choose the unary unwind array method, and the aggregation method will be sum. So look at this, the chart is ready. So what we are seeing that there are total 6 store location, that is Danvir and another 5, and top revenue is gained from Danvir, then Settle, London, etc. Okay, isn't it awesome? Just some click and your chart is ready. Then you can change this chart as per your need. Suppose you want to see the purchase method of the shop locator each shop locator has used. So just put the purchase method on the y-axis, then aggregate with count by value. Look, the purchase method of different shop locator is here. In Danvir 172 purchase method is on phone, 513 purchase method is online, and 864 purchase method is in a store. So you can save this chart clicking on save and close. Okay, so this dashboard is ready with this chart. Next we want to make a donut chart. Donut chart will look like this. So what this donut chart will do is that it will show, suppose like you have given a scenario that your manager has expressed interest on 2 shops, that is Danvir and New York, and he want to see the store which has item costing of $1,200. So for showing this type of data, this donut chart is very much useful. So we are going to see how to draw a donut chart. Then to create a new chart, click on the add chart button. We are going to use the same sales data source. So click on select, and then from chart type we are going to select donut. It is in circular under donut, and it want me to select a label and a arc. So we are going to see the Danvir and New York set locations items which costing over 12,000. So first of all we need the items, total items, then we will filter the price that has more than 12. So we will take the tax as a label. Then we will choose the item as unwind array and tagged method array element by index. So we will select the tag item one by one by their index, and the index will start from 0. Then in the arc we will be go by the sales ID. Every item from this sales will be selected from here. So look at that, a donut is already ready, where tag is like office, school, writing, stationery. This is the tag we selected from here, and it is giving me the count of IDs. So electronics has 8.3%, office has 33%, and stationery has 16.4%. So this is the chart showing the different type of tags and their sales uses. Now we want to twist more, that we just want to show the data from London and Danville. To do this, we need a query which will select just Danville and London. This is the query that store location will be selected Danville and New York, and item price will be more than 1200. So I am going to select this and put this in the query and then format it. I click on the apply. Okay, so that's it, your chart is ready. So you are seeing the data just these two stores, that is Danville and New York, and which items has price more than 1200. So the office item that has more than 1200, that's percentage are shown here. Okay, so give a name of this. So this is a donut chart showing tags with price more than $1200. So that's it, your chart is ready. Click on the save and close. Then this two chart is ready. Isn't it awesome? So this is for today. So before we finish, please subscribe to this channel to get the latest video, and put a heart emoji in the comment if you like this video. Thank you for being with us. See you on the next one. Take care.